In the 1300s, the Chinese finally developed paper, and the emperor of China at that time requested the paper to be used in his bathroom for sanitary purposes. That was the first recorded toilet paper ever used. When we jump forward to 1857, there was a druggist in New Jersey, Joseph Gaetti, who developed a product for hemorrhoids. It was a paper product that he applied aloe to, and it was sold in packages of cut sheets. That was really the first toilet paper ever used and developed in America. Toilet paper was first used by the Chinese. It was recorded in the 50 BC that the Chinese made paper, and when they made paper, they used it for a sanitary purpose as well, and that was in 50 BC. The paper that they made was partly bamboo and partly papyrus mixed together. They ended up with a paper product. The Arabs in the 600s made paper, and they used the paper for a sanitary purpose. Finally, in the 1300s, the Chinese made writing paper, developed a very fine quality writing paper, and they also used that for a sanitary purpose. That could be considered the first toilet paper. In 1857, in America, a druggist named Joseph Gaetti developed a paper product where he applied aloe to it. He used that paper product for a hemorrhoid condition and sold it in packages of cut sheets. That could be considered the first toilet paper made in America. In 1898, the Scott brothers, who were making paper for newsprint for the newspaper, actually made a decision to cut the sheets and to sell it as toilet paper. Eventually, the Scott brothers took the toilet paper and made it into rolls and developed the first toilet paper on rolls in the early 1900s. The Scott brothers also took the toilet paper on rolls, put a wrapper on it, and printed the wrapper for the fine hotels in Philadelphia and New York. One of the first hotels was the Waldorf Hotel, who had their own toilet paper. In the early 1900s, a company called Kimberly-Clark began to develop toilet paper as well. In the mid-1900s, toilet paper that was on a one-ply piece of paper and wrapped in a roll began to be made into two-ply toilet paper. Around 1950 in America, the two-ply toilet paper began to get better quality. The technology of the paper that was created made the toilet paper more soft. In the early 1960s, companies like Procter & Gamble developed Charmin toilet paper. Charmin toilet paper and the other Kimberly-Clark toilet papers were high performance, had tremendous wet strength, and were very soft. In the 1980s, the technology of paper escalated. Paper that was formerly made in flat sheets began to be made in an air-blown system. The air-blown paper was a very high performance, one-ply sheet of paper that was very soft, but also very absorbent. This one-ply air-blown paper was developed into Charmin's best toilet paper and is now Charmin Ultra. Today, there are many one-ply, air-blown, very high-performance, high-quality toilet papers. They are all biodegradable. They dispose of properly in septic systems. They're very high performance. And in general, the best toilet paper on earth is made in America. Thank you very much. My name is Kenn Fischburg, and I'm the president of ToiletPaperWorld.com.